Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can share our screen on Zoom software and how we can allow multiple participants to share their screen. So let's start. I just open my Zoom on my laptop and after that I will receive all these options. I can see all these options here like security, participant, chat, share screen, record, reactions. So we are going to learn how we can share the screen and how we can allow to participant to share their screen. So to allow participant to share their screen, this option will work. The small arrow, click on this arrow and here is the option is one participant can share at a time. So you need to click here, multiple participant can share the screen simultaneously. So now if you will check this option, then multiple student, multiple participant can share their screen in front of you. Now come to the main point, how we can share the screen. So to share the screen we need to click on the share screen options. And here the option is coming. What you need to do, you can share the entire screen just clicking on this option, and you can use the whiteboard. This option is for whiteboard. Suppose you want to open the whiteboard and explain something, then you must go with this option. Otherwise just click on the first one option, and if any other file is also open in your laptop computer, then that file will also seen here. Okay, so you can go with the first option, screen share. Click here and click on the share option. Select this option and click on the share options. So now do that, click on the share options, and now you have shared your screen. So when you will share your screen, minimize this window. So you will find some more option here. Like if you will move your mouse on the top where you are seeing you are share screen, yes, these menus. Okay, these menus are there, and the important one is annotate. So annotate का यूज हमें करना है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेने के लिए. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन ऑप्शन. Okay, so click on here, move your mouse on the top, and then when this slider will come, click on annotate options. This one is the tool which we will use, and these all options and this tool will not show to the participant. जो भी स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं उनको ये ऑप्शंस, ये टूल्स और ये ऑप्शंस दिखाई नहीं देंगे. ये सिर्फ आपकी स्क्रीन पे आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट दिस टूल अकॉर्डिंग टू योर comfortability. So I just click here and now continuously pressing the mouse. यहाँ से भी हम कर सकते हैं इसको इधर उधर करने के लिए, और कहीं पे भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक मैंने यहाँ पे बॉटम में कर लिया. अब ओपन द फाइल विच यू वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट. So I just opening a file. Okay, like I just open this one, and after opening the file and using these all tools, you can write anything, you can draw anything, you can highlight any line, any word on your screen. So please wait a while, this file is opening. Now this is my file, and suppose I need to explain all the things here, then I can use the tools from here, and this tool will come when we will click on annotate on the top. Okay, so let's start. I am just using draw. I just take this style, and now pencil is with us and I can underline that particular thing. For changing the color, format option is there. click on the format options and you can take any of the color and you can explain like that. If you can try, then you can write something with the help of mouse and all. Okay, so here is the pencil. You can explain anything, whatever you want to explain. Some other options are there. You can circle one thing. So just choose the option here and use your mouse left button to draw this thing, like draw a circle here. Go there. If you want to draw any other thing, so you can use like that. Whatever is your requirement, everything is there. You just need to find that particular option and you can change you can draw them. So in draw options you will find all these options. In stamp options you can find all these, like you want to tick something like this is right, this is also right, this is also right, like that. If something is wrong, so cross symbol is also there, you can tick like that. So you are finding all these options from here on this particular options. You can resize these menus anywhere. Okay, if you want to go back, suppose I just draw something, I just draw this line. Now I don't want this line, so I can go undo. Undo means to go one step back, like that. I can undo. So I'm just clicking and I'm going back to the last one step, like that. If I will click again and again, so I will go on my first step, like that. Now everything is clear from redo to go back. जो अभी आपने हटाया है उसको दोबारा से आप लेके आना चाहते हैं, then you can click on redo button. Okay, eraser is also there. If you want to remove on the particular object, then you can click here, like you can remove all these, you can remove this line, you can remove this circle, so you can use the eraser option. Okay, text, if you want to write something, so you need to click on the text and with the help of keyboard you can write, do this work right now or solve this question right now. You can write anything like that. If you have written something and you want to move that particular word anywhere, then you need to click on the select option. Okay, and now one more thing that you need to clear. If you want to scroll down or if you want to go on the next page, so first you need to clear all these things. So click on the clear all drawing, like that. Close this tool and after that you will scroll, you can scroll down your picture like that. Okay, so again you need to take all the tool, go to the top, click on the annotate. This tool will come, give the positions of these tools, choose a particular tool from here and draw something like that. Everything is there, you need to go through with them. Thank you. At the end you need to stop your sharing, so just click here to stop your sharing and click on end meeting if you want to finish your meeting. Thank you.